Hello students, welcome to our new video. In this video we will look about the transformer protection. So why the transformer protection is needed? Okay, so there are various reasons. Okay, so but in this topic we will learn how to protect the transformer from any kind of fault. Okay, so transformer are static devices. They are totally enclosed and generally oil immersed. Okay, so they are a static device and totally enclosed and generally oil immersed. Therefore, chances of fault occurring on them are very rare. However, the consequences of even a rare fault may be very serious unless the transformer is quickly disconnected from the system. This necessitates to provide adequate automatic protection for transformers against possible faults. Small distribution transformers are usually connected to the supply system through series fuses instead of circuit breakers. Consequently, no automatic protective relay equipment is required. However, the possibility of fault on a power transformer is undoubtedly more, and hence automatic protection is absolutely necessary. Okay, so common transformer faults are open circuits, overheating, winding short circuit, that is earth fault, face to face fault, and interturn faults. An open circuit in one phase of a three-phase transformer may cause undesirable heating. In practice, relay protection is not provided against open circuit because this condition is relatively harmless. On the occurrence of such fault, the transformer can be disconnected manually from the system. Overheating of a transformer is usually caused by sustained overloads or short circuits, and very occasionally by the failure of the cooling system. The relay protection is also not provided against this contingency, and thermal accessories are generally used to sound an alarm or control the banks of fans. Winding short circuits, also called as internal faults on the transformer, arise from deterioration of winding insulation due to overheating or mechanical injury. When an internal fault occurs, the transformer must be disconnected quickly from the system because a prolonged arc in the transformer may cause oil fire. Therefore, relay protection is absolutely necessary for internal faults. For protection of generators, MERS price circulating current system is unquestionably the most satisfactory, though this is largely true for transformer protection. There are cases where circulating current system offers no particular advantage over other system or impracticable on account of the troublesome condition imposed by wide variety of voltages, currents and earthing condition invariably associated with power transformer. Under such circumstances, alternative protection systems are used which in many cases are as effective as circulating current system. The principal relays and system used for transformer protection are Buchholz relay, earth fault relays, overcurrent relays, differential systems. Buchholz relay providing protection against all kind of incipient fault. What is incipient fault? Slow developing fault such as insulation failure of windings, core heating, fall of oil level due to leaky joints, and etc. Earth fault relays providing protection against earth fault only. Overcurrent relay providing protection against face to face faults and overloading. Differential system or circulating current system providing protection against both earth and phase faults. The complete protection of transformer usually requires the combination of these systems. Choice of particular combination of system may depends upon several factors such as size of transformer, type of cooling, location of transformer in the network, nature of load supplied, and importance of service for which transformer is required. Okay, in the next video we will look each and every relays and protective device used for protecting the transformer faults. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.